This arrived today. I'm really excited. It looks so pretty. This is glitter HTV from HTVRont, and it gives you some instructions there. And when you open it up, just move it into camera frame a little bit more. When you open up, I'll just take it out the packet. It's got more instructions on the back with the time and temperature and a bit of information, so don't lose that. And these are the colours the pack comes in. So it's got the gold, the red, the blue, the silver and the black. And I got this, it's more like a sample pack, I suppose. If you only need a little bit of HTV in glitter, this is a great way to buy it. But I wasn't sure what colours I wanted, so I thought I'll buy this pack and then I can play with the colours, because I really like the black, but I'm not sure how that's going to turn out. So I thought I would just do a bit of experimenting with this and have a bit of fun. So that's that pack. I'll put that back together in a little minute. But I also got these. Now, I happen to know these are both heat transfer vinyl, but they're different because one is going to be a puff vinyl and one's a glitter. It's going to be obvious which to tell the difference, but it doesn't really tell you on the box. I'm guessing that code is what will tell you. I'm going to write something on the box. I like to keep them in the boxes. Let's get this one out. So I keep them in the boxes. It makes it easier to manage, but you can certainly get rid of the box if you don't want. There will be instructions. Make sure you keep the instructions. Whether you keep the box or not is up to you. And so straight away I can see this is the pink glitter. I didn't need to buy this in a sample pack because I knew I wanted the pink. So that was an easy decision. And it was, I wanted more pink than what was going to come in a sample pack anyway. So I definitely wanted pink. And here's the instructions for it. So, like a mini version of what I just showed you on the other pack. And this looks so pretty. I'm so excited about this. It's very pretty. Can't wait to see what that turns out like. And this is the other one. Now this one will be puff. I'm just trying to make sure I'm staying camera. So this will be puff. I've got, would you believe I've got 6 foot of this? So 6 foot roll, 10 inch by 6 foot. I'm going to share some of it with my friend who also wants to have a little play with the puff. And once again, we have some instructions. HTVRont are pretty good at providing instructions on websites and in the packaging. It's pretty easy. It's one of the easiest ones I've found to find the instructions for. I'm not affiliated with HTVRont at all, so it's just simply what I've been like using. And this is puff. So we'll see how well it puffs at some point. And I'll share a video of puff. You wouldn't actually know, just looking at this, you would not know that this was going to be puff. So I hope it is puff. Ah dear. It doesn't tell me anything about puff. Oh, it does. It says on the instructions, puff. Lucky. Lucky it says puff. But it, just looking at it, it could be just regular HTV. It's probably a little thicker. Just looks just very similar to regular HTV. So don't lose the instructions and the fact that this is puff and not regular HTV, or you get a surprise when you use it. I have got a quick tip video to say different various methods of recording and saving it onto your rolls, so you remember when it's time to pull them out the cupboard to use. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. This is Sue from createwithsue.com. I hope you join me for some more information, tutorials, courses, and my website. Thanks.